Yeah. My town raised me, I'm still here wavy. Never got rich, so the money can't make me. My boys were my boys a decade ago, so I could never put a front on like y'all, they know me. Is my mic on? Fuck your lack of motivation, you ain't never had to rat to keep the lights on. Shit real to me, all your popcorn rap don't appeal to me. I got loyalty in my squadron, I got royalties on the way. R.I.P. Mac, I'm white boy awesome. Give a goddamn what a critic gotta say, don't gotta play the game. Came up in a small town, why the hell would I politic now? Do one of my people dirty, then we got beef. Was a problem with me then, it's a problem with me now. I don't ever gotta think about whether it would be better to piece it up, because I know I got what they want and they got a reason to front. Never needed them, but they needed us. I know it's a pleasure to be meeting us. They wanted off the record when they begged for me to be on the record, but they never put up any bread. Catch your body on anybody, said when it comes to 16s, I don't need nobody, this shit is dead. R.I.P. fuck y'all if you change up, y'all got reference, y'all got famous. I got back end, I got day ones, I'm still good in the city I came from. Who got your back when the chips low? Who shotgun when the whip slow? Who been with you from get-go? When shit pop up, my boys already down. 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 I don't gotta ask if they with it, they with it. I've been winning and my foot ain't even been on gas in a minute. Vroom, vroom, I'm done cruising. Long as I'm in the game, y'all not done losing. The real dying and y'all keep lying. Y'all can't be me, but y'all keep trying. Only see me when you close your eyelids. When you wake up, I don't ever see iris. Back to the mission, we got a lot on the plate still. Y'all got too many cooks in the kitchen to make meals. Y'all do a lot of bitching for someone to take deals. I put in overtime on this shit just to pay bills. This not glamorous, real life's not lit for the cameras. Real life got lit when my brothers came with. I be on the grind and they on the same shit. R.I.P. fuck y'all if you change up, y'all got reference, y'all got famous. I got back end, I got day ones, I'm still good in the city I came from. Who got your back when the chips low? Who shotgun when the whip slow? Who been with you from get-go? When shit pop up, my boys already down. 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 R.I.P. fuck y'all if you change up, y'all got reference, y'all got famous. I got back end, I got day ones, I'm still good in the city I came from. Who got your back when the chips low? Who shotgun when the whip slow? Who been with you from get-go? When shit pop up, my boys already down. 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 Already down.
Hey, man, they said I'd never. Fuck it, it's not important what they said. They was busy making stories, I was busy making music. I was tryna get ahead. Hey, caught up tryna be a hometown hero. Apple on my wrist, got a 540. Buzzing and she tryna get the. Hey, if I ain't catching vibes, then I'm outie. Hey, self-employed over salary. Hey, girl, I get annoyed when you rowdy. Hey, I do box like I'm Roddy. Got body saying shoddy. The money right beside me, I might just catch a body. If I don't catch a motherfucking break, man, sorry. Act like you the realest, but you fake, don't try me. Labels on the tape, can't buy me. Moving state to state, can't find me. Man, they said I'd never. Fuck it, it's not important what they said. They was busy making stories, I was busy making music. I was tryna get ahead. Ay, caught up tryna be a hometown hero. Apple on my wrist, got a 540. Buzzing and she tryna get the. Buzzing and she tryna get the. Buzzing and she tryna get the. Man, I'm caught up, tryna gain perspective. I can never settle with my daughter, I'm protective. Girl, I call her. 7:15, gon' be late up at the session. Shorty, hope you get the message, cause the money my objective. Girl, don't charge though. Head up to the sky, but never starstruck. Offer, perfect what I'm far from, but always been a calm one. Got problems if you want one. I'm focused on the long one, cause they said I never. Fuck it, it's not important what they said. They was busy making stories, I was busy making music. I was tryna get ahead. Ayy, caught up tryna be a hometown hero. Apple on my wrist, got a 540. Buzzing and she tryna get the buzzing and she tryna get the buzzing and she tryna get the
like someone falling off and they think they grinding, but it's not enough. And I seen it happen, I won't take a loss, and I know that I can't go down as a throwback. I got tunnel vision like Kodak, won't hold back. I'ma go rap till I get in all of my own plaques. I'ma break through, everybody always wants something that's new. Everybody always wanna take your spot. Gotta keep it up, gotta keep it on lock. I ain't got time, think about what I lost. Gotta get better every song that I drop. No, I'm a grown man with my own plan, so I gotta go get it on my own, then it's real. I've been waiting for a minute. I've been praying, I'ma get it. I've been thinking about my music. I've been hoping I don't lose it. I've been waiting for a minute. I've been praying, I'ma get it. I've been thinking about my music. I've been hoping I don't lose it. What if I end up just going broke? Wishing I didn't go spend it though. Can't buy nothing for my family, but I never seen money coming though. Paying taxes for the first time, building my credit, I'm on time. I know that everyone's showing their jewelry, but I'm investing my salary. Ayy, mama told me that nothing guaranteed. I don't really know what my future gonna be. If you ask me, I'ma say that I'm fine, but I cannot control anything out of line. I know that fashion is cool, but I'm over it. Saving my money for older shit. Thinking about if I got children and anything they need, then you know that I be supporting it. Damn, I've been waiting for a minute. I've been praying, I'ma get it. I've been thinking about my music. I've been hoping I don't lose it. I've been waiting for a minute. I've been praying, I'ma get it. I've been thinking about my music. I've been hoping I don't lose it. Yeah, seen a lot and I made a lot, and now everyone in my lane. Yeah, put in work and I'm getting mine, and now every time it go bang. Coming for the top, got the game in the lock. Every time that I drop, know I gotta go bang. I'ma keep it hot, know that I can never stop. Keeping everything I got, I'ma make it go bang. Better than the best, I'ma tell it with my chest. I don't got no time to rest, now they know what I'm saying. Everybody know I'm coming next, I'ma leave it in a mess. If they wanna test, I'ma make it bang. Step into the mind of a young man with the...
No, don't kill. Don't kill. Maybe it's better if I spam them.
Is Life out?
Yeah,
he's out.
Yeah, he's out.
If you want, guys, someone like log out. I'll come in and kill them. I can kill them.
Ooh, the BM.
Yeah, I got 0 lives. I can just log out.
No,
But
don't log out.
You
You
need
need
more
to
than one.
live.
You need more than one.
Don't log out.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Yeah.
Face feed,
Simon,
Simon.
get MVP, Simon. Get MVP, motherfucker.
Yeah, get it. We can team trigger. Simon. 1, 2. Okay.
Nice.
What was that?
1, 2.
Fucking Simon.
Okay, guys, I gotta go to work. I'm gonna
Okay,
go.
have fun.
Take care, Luki.
Shit, boys.
Swoosh forgot buff pet. She should be less tanky. Nice.
I wonder if I can kill Kwana. I'm pretty much. Oh wait, I can equip my. I forgot about this stuff.
Go, 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 go.
Okay, I'm gonna. Oh wait, my refresher is out. Okay, let's try here.
Let me know if you guys
Same
need me
with
to fuck
HP.
them up. I can kill them both. One hit.
That's what you say before.
I mean, we already won.
I want some more points, guys. Can I get some points here? I'm 16 points.
65. You can kill Eli, Joe.
Can I kill you alive?
Yeah, just go, just go.
Thank you.
How many lives you got left, Simon? Yeah, you got plenty. You can do.
Yeah, I fucking.
You kept
I
getting
just run
tanked.
around like a. I kill someone again, please. Can we team tag her? Man?
You
Can
keep
you like?
killing.
Can you just fucking? Oh, give me some
Fucking
points.
Simon.
Give me some fucking points, okay?
Wait, let
Kill
Nikki get
Kiana,
points.
kill Kiana, yo.
Nikki's
I
needs
can't
points.
I can't one hitter. Someone gotta like. Someone gotta.
Just push
like,
them.
Yo, just die to reflect, bro, please. I want to see it.
Yo, let me
Yo, let me in,
in.
boys. Let me.
fucking tag. So close of killing her. What the fuck? Wait, let me try again. I wasn't seeing it.
Oh my fucking god.
Let me try Quillfish. I think I can. Hold on. 1.
Kiana is back in.
Go. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Farming points, guys.
Damn, Joe had 5 lives left. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy shit, yeah.
Simon, are you fucking kidding me? The new rules are you can't feed for MVP, buddy.
That's the
Yeah,
fucking
DC.
God.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we won. It's not all. Well, it's just
Damn,
finished.
Simon, how much damage do you do?
Yeah, we'll see what drama comes of it.
Cheat free siege is nice.
Oh yeah, pass lead.
Nice.
Who's gonna
Y'all are so funny.